Good morning, children. Welcome to VPS e-learning class. Children, as you know, we have completed our 10th chapter, that was time, yesterday. And today we are going to start chapter 11, that is geometry. So geometry is totally based on figures under diagrams. There are some definitions given which I am going to explain you. Some of the definition today I will explain and some of the next day. So let's see the definition first, and then you have to write those definitions in your copy also, because they can come in your examination. So learn each and every definition very carefully with your diagrams. The definitions are given, after that their diagrams are also given. So you have to write the definitions in your copy with their diagrams, and in examination the definitions, when it will come to, you have to draw the diagrams of them also. So children, let's start the chapter with the definitions. Now children, this is chapter 11, geometry. So this chapter we are going to start with the definitions, because all the exercise which are given in this chapter are based on these topics which we are going to understand today. So let's see that what are the topics given in this chapter and what are the definition of it. So first you will write the heading, define the terms. These definitions can come in your examination also. So you have to learn these definitions with their diagrams as I have drawn here. So you have to write like this in your classwork copy. First topic is point. Point, all of you know that this dot, it is a dot. This dot is known as point only. So this point we have drawn here, and we have given the name of A to this point. So it is called the point. Clear? So this is point, and we have given the name. So you all have to give the name. You can give any name, but I have given A. So you all can give any name according to yourself. Second is line segment. What do you mean by line segment? A line segment has a fixed length and has two endpoints. Line segment means a line segment has a fixed length. It means that it is having a fixed length, and it is having two endpoints. As you can see, I have drawn one line here and two points are made. These points mean that this line cannot be extended from any of the side, either from this side or from this side. So this means that it has only two ends point where the points are made. First side is name as A, and second is B. So A and B, and this is called line segment. It is having two end points. First is this and another is this. Third point is line. Third topic is line. See children, these both are lines only, but there is a difference. It is having two end points, and second is line. We will see what is the meaning of it. A line has no end points and extends endlessly in both directions. It means that a line is having no end points, and this arrow means that it can be extend endlessly in both the direction, because both sides the arrows are made. So these are the point. This one is line, and line can be extended endlessly from both the direction. So this arrow shows that it can extend endlessly in both the directions. So this is the diagram of line. Now kinds of line. There are three kinds of lines here. First is horizontal line, second is vertical line, and third is oblique or slanting line. So first, there is no definitions for these headings, but there is a diagram for three of the topics. So for horizontal line, this type of line we will draw. It is called horizontal line. Vertical line, this one is vertical line. This is the diagram for vertical line. Third is oblique or slanting, so it can be slanting. So this slanting line is known as oblique or slanting line. These are the three lines. Horizontal line is this, vertical line is this, and oblique or slanting line is this. So these are the three kinds of lines. So we have learned about point, line segment, line, kinds of line. There are three kinds of line according to this chapter: horizontal line, vertical line, oblique or slanting line. Now the fourth is ray. A ray starts at a point but does not end. It means that this is also a line, but this is different from both line segment and line. So it has a starting point but does not end. It is not having ending point. So you can see here in this diagram, in this line, we have drawn dot here, point here. So this is the starting point of this line, and from this starting point we have made one point on the another side and the arrow. So this arrow means that this line does not ends. Clear? So we have given the name P and Q for this. So this is the ray. Now let's see in book. Now on page number 193. So this is smart maths is given. This is your homework. I will explain you here. You will do it in your book only, and you have to do it in your homework. I will explain you here. Count and write the number of each as instructed. So these three questions are given and the lines are drawn. You have to count it and you have to write in this dash. So first is given line segment. You have to count how many line segments are there. So now count the line segments. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 line segments are there. So you will write here 7. Second, the rays are drawn. You have to count it down. 1, 2, 3, 4 rays are drawn here. Third is the three of the lines, line segment, rays and lines are given. So according to the definitions of line segment, line and ray, you have to count these lines and you have to write here. So first is line segment. Line segment is from the according to the definition, it has fixed length and has two end points. So according to the definition, this one is the line segment, and second is rays. So rays, there are the starting point and the ending point is extending endlessly. So this one is ray according to the definition and this one is ray. So there are two rays and two lines are here, 1 and 2. So one line segment, two rays and two lines are there. So this you will do in your book only. So it is for your practice only, children. So you can do it in your book only. Thank you and have a nice day. And children, this is your homework. Okay, smart math is your homework. So children, thank you and have a nice day.